Hello, we're ready for you. Just gonna head on this way. And then you can go ahead and take a seat right on that blue chair. You can set your bags on that round table. This is Dr. Ellis.
Hi, welcome. Welcome. How are you doing today? Good, you're ready? So yeah, don't be nervous. This is pretty straightforward. Nothing painful about the LASIK procedure. Just going to feel a little bit of pressure sensation. That's about it. Whole thing will be over in about 10 minutes. After you're done, just go home, have a nap for about an hour or two. By the time you wake up from the nap, vision's going to be doing great. That's when you'll start using your eye drops. Okay, no pain. If anything's uncomfortable, let me know, and we'll adjust it. But again, just a little bit of pressure sensation. Do you have any questions otherwise? No? Okay, no questions? Awesome. Right, you got this. So you're going to follow me. There are two lasers used for this. The first laser is over here. This is going to make the LASIK flap. After we're done with this laser, we'll move across to that laser. That laser is going to do your correction. So we're going to start off by laying on your back. Head's going to go back towards the headrest.
Alrighty, you're gonna come a half an inch higher. Yes, thank you.
All right, awesome. So the bed's going to be moving slowly across. Just going to have you scoot up a little bit more towards me. Perfect, that's it. In a moment, you're going to see an orange blinking light, a little bit down still. Scoot up just a little bit more towards me. There you go, you got it. All right, you should start making out an orange blinking light at the moment. It's still a little bit too low down. Scoot up a little bit more towards me. Okay, there we go, we got it. Okay, you should see that orange blinking light. So you'll be just staring at the orange blinking light. In just a moment, you're going to feel some pressure sensation, and then the vision's going to get blurry once you feel the pressure sensation. There's a little suction ring coming down, pressure, and vision goes dim. Now with that pressure sensation, it's going to last for about 20 more seconds. Okay, you feel a little bit more pressure. Okay, laser's turning on. We got 15 seconds. Doing perfect. 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pressure's off. All right, awesome. Then we're going to do similar thing to the left side. Okay, now we're going to have you sit up. We're done with the first laser. You'll notice the vision's very cloudy right now.
We're going to go right this way. Carefully here. So right over to the second laser bed, right over here. A little cloudy, that's normal. Have a seat there. And you're lay down looking up. We'll guide you in. Go ahead, slide up just a little bit more right into the divot there. There you go. Surgeon's going to take over. Just stay nice and still.
Perfect. So the bed is moving back, and this laser, again, not going to feel any kind of pressure with this. You're just going to be looking at a variety of lights. You'll see some lights coming into view. So you should notice a green flashing light in the center of it, all of that, and that's going to be your target. You just keep looking at that green flashing light. It's going to appear to be moving around a little bit. Okay, we're getting ready for the laser treatment. Laser treatment is 10 seconds. Okay, laser turning on. Okay. All right, and we are finished with your correction. Congratulations, you did awesome. Bed's moving out, we'll get you sitting up in just a moment.
All right, go ahead. You did it. You can sit on up, swing over this way towards me.
Nice job. So go home, get some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow for your follow-up.